Every breakthrough begins with a question. Welcome to Intelxis Core, educational content inspired by modern science.
What if one ancient practice could transform both your body and your mind? For centuries, millions have practiced Qi for health, Tai Chi. But what exactly is Tai Chi? Tai Chi began in ancient China as a traditional martial art. Over the centuries, it evolved into one of the world's most respected wellness practices.
Tai Chi's story began more than 300 years ago in China. The Chen styles for margins. From Chen style, new forms But is Tai Chi simply tradition, or is there real science behind it? Today's researchers are using advanced technology to find the answers. Scientists are studying how Tai Chi influences. Every Tai Chi movement begins with one simple foundation, the Wuji stance. Stand with relaxed shoulders, soft knees, and a naturally upright spine. Every Tai Chi movement begins with calm, controlled breathing. Breathe in gently through your nose as your body rises. Exhale slowly as your hands. Real Tai Chi power comes from how you shift your body weight. Shift your weight smoothly without lifting your body, and your knees naturally aligned. Avoid leaning or locking your knees. Now let's perform the first Tai Chi move, known as the opening form. Raise both hands slowly to shoulder height while keeping your shoulders completely relaxed. Master this first movement. The next movement is called ward off, one of Tai Chi's most essential techniques. Create a rounded arm shape while shifting your weight smoothly forward. Keep your spine.
Next comes roll back. Redirect force instead of resisting it. Turn from your waist. Move in one smooth circle. Let your hips guide the movement.
Here, both arms work together as one connected structure. Bring your palms together. Move forward without creating tension.
Our final fundamental technique is push, known in Tai Chi as An. Push gently forward using your legs and hips, not your arms. In Tai Chi,
now let's learn one of Tai Chi's most graceful movements, wave hands like clouds. Move sideways while your hands flow in soft circular patterns.
Now let's improve balance. Shift your weight before lifting. Keep your core engaged now. Avoid leaning or looking down. Balance begins with steady practice.
But why does Tai Chi improve balance so effectively? Your brain, inner ear, and muscles constantly work together to keep you balanced. Slow, controlled movements train. But can Tai Chi actually help you lose weight? Although it's a low size, Tai Chi still burns calories and keeps your combined with healthy eating activity. The greatest results come from consistency. So, how many calories can Tai Chi actually burn? Most people burn around 180 to 300 calories per hour. That's similar to a brisk walk or many. So what happens inside your body while practicing Tai Chi? Every slow movement requires your muscles to use energy efficiently. Tai Chi activates multiple muscles. Can reducing stress help support healthy weight management? Tai Chi may help reduce stress and activate your body's relaxation response. Calmer breathing and movement help your mind. Can one ancient practice help you age healthier? Research suggests Tai Chi may support heart health, mobility, and overall well-being. These benefits may help people stay active. So what does modern scientific research actually say? Studies investigate Tai Chi's health benefits. Evidence is strongest for balance. Individual results can vary. So, how often should you practice Tai Chi? For most beginners, practicing 2 to 5 times each week is a practical goal. Even 10 to 20 minutes a day can help. What happens if you practice Tai Chi consistently for just 30 days? Start with a few minutes each day and gradually build a healthy routine. Small improvements become noticeable. Good health isn't built in a single day. It's created through small choices repeated over time. Every breath, every movement, and every practice session moves you forward. Thousands of years later, Tai Chi continues to inspire millions around the world. It blends ancient wisdom with modern support, a healthier lifestyle.